Okay, I have two fragrances with me right now.
Yeah.
You have to smell them both and tell us which smells better.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. Let's do it.
This is the first fragrance.
Okay. It's very minty and sort of a fresh fragrance. All that I can feel. It's really nice.
On a scale of 0 to 10, how much would you rate it?
I think I would give it a 5. Reason being, I'm more towards fruity and flowery smells, and this
Okay.
is, I think, a bit minty and towards the cooler side. I feel.
This is the second one.
Yeah, this one is nice. This is a bit sweeter. I like sweeter
Okay.
fragrances.
Is it flower?
It's sweet. It's
Okay.
yeah, it's nice.
How
I
much-
like this more.
and how
This
much would you
I
rate?
would give a good 7. I think.
Good
yeah,
7.
yeah,
Do you like to smell this one on your man?
yeah. This one I would prefer more than that one. Yes.
Okay.
This is really nice.
This is Versace Poho.
See Versace.
Okay, you like designer brands. And the first one is David of Cool Water.
Okay, cool.
This is the first one.
Yeah, this one's good. It's strong.
And on a scale of 0 to 10, how much would you
I'll rate it 7.
7.
Yeah,
And what kind of fragrances do you like?
fruity.
Fruity.
Yeah.
You might like this one then. This is the second one.
Yeah, it's
This
my
is,
type. Yeah,
This
it's
is
my
your
type.
type.
Yeah,
How much would you rate this?
I'll rate it 10.
10.
Yeah,
And if
it's
you have
good.
to choose one, which one would you choose?
This one, number 2.
Okay. So number 2 is Versace Poho and the first one is David of Cool Water.
Okay.
This is the first one.
This is a bit citrusy.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you like to smell it on your man? Or you
Can I
think-
have another?
I
I'll
can't
have-
tell you now which one is it.
You cannot.
Sit.
Not sure. This is citrusy, but I'm not sure.
Is actually very light. I really like dark,
Strong fragrance.
strong fragrance.
Let's see if you like the second one. This is the second one.
Yeah, this is good.
This is good. And the reason for it?
It's strong and
Strong. Projecting.
yes, yes.
And how much would you rate the first
This
one?
one is too citrusy, but still decent enough.
On
Can
a
go for
scale of
6.
0 to 10, how much? What do you think about the second
I
one?
really like it. It's just because it's very dark, strong, and I like strong fragrances.
Perfect for a party or a date?
It's a party.
Party fragrance. And how much would you rate this one? The second
10
one?
out of 10.
And the second one?
I feel this is a day wear, so 10 out of 8 for sure.
Okay. And you would choose the second one?
Yes, exactly.
And
Second
you?
one.
Second.
Thank you so much. This is the first one.
This is good.
How does it smell?
It's really amazing. I think this is a little bit bold side, so I absolutely like it.
Do you think it's a unisex fragrance?
Yes, it can be.
And how much would you rate it on a scale of 0 to 10?
I rate 10 out of 8.
8 out of 10.
Yes, 8 out of 10.
Okay. Got. And would you like to smell this on your man?
So yeah, I didn't get you.
Would you like to smell this on your man? On a significant other?
I don't think so.
Okay. This is the second one. How does this smell?
It's really amazing. Actually, this is more better than the previous one.
You like this one better.
Yes,
And how much would you rate this?
9 out of 10.
So you prefer this one?
Yes.
Okay. This one you don't. And what kind of fragrance do you go for usually?
Like something nude side or like a bold smell. I want.
Strong projecting fragrance.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.